Hi there, students. I had a question from Braulio asking for the meaning of crash and burn. Okay, so to crash and burn is an idiom meaning to fail totally, to fail miserably and utterly. So, my attempt to make a meal for 20 people crashed and burned. Yeah, it was a total disaster. I burnt the food, or I put too much salt in it, or something like that. So to crash and burn, to fail dramatically, to fail completely. Yeah. So when our team made the final, we thought we can really win this competition. We could really be the champions. But after the other team scored 3 goals in the first 5 minutes, our hopes crashed and burned. Yeah, to disappear very suddenly. Okay, you can use this phrase crash and burn literally as well, as in the car crashed and burned. Yeah, it crashed and then it caught fire. But I think here we're looking at it as an idiom. Yeah, so the presentation that I gave of my project crashed and burned. I didn't expect it to crash and burn like that. So to fail suddenly, to fail obviously, to fail very completely. Yeah, when companies put new products on the market, it's very common for them to crash and burn. Yeah, his first performance in the theatre was a total disaster. He crashed and burned because he got such stage fright that he just couldn't remember his words. Yeah, so to crash and burn, to fail, to be unsuccessful. Yeah, stress can cause people to crash and burn. Yeah, but let's see, I think it's worth the risk of crashing and burning to try new things. Okay, so to crash and burn. I think this is a fairly informal idiom. I think I'd probably give it a 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but no more than that. And the idea to crash and catch fire. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To crash and burn.